This might seem like a dirty job, pero napakahalagang pangalagaan ng kalikasan. And it's what the ASEAN Centre for Biodiversity aims to do.
Ang ASEAN Centre for Biodiversity is an institution hosted by the Philippines. We serve the 10 countries in ASEAN. We coordinate biodiversity conservation programs doon sa 10 countries na yon.
At nung nakarang November, kasama sila sa isang project in saving one of Metro Manila's natural treasures.
This event was actually spearheaded by Norwegian Embassy and of course the ABS CBN, Kapamilya Foundation, para magtanim ng mga iba't ibang native na puno dito sa Lamesa watershed as part ng contribution sa climate change adaptation ng Norway. At the same time, it will contribute to, of course, the watershed function of Lamesa, as well as biodiversity protection and also livelihoods for the communities. Kasi marami ng mga turista ngayon ang pumapasok dito dahil maraming puno, tsaka maganda yung environment, cool yung temperatura because of the trees.
The purpose of this activity is really to offset our embassy's footprint, carbon footprint in the Philippines. So we have actually calculated how much CO2 we emit related to the electricity we buy from Meralco. So that's the basis for the calculation of the 500 trees. So, you know, Norway is trying to be a responsible citizen in terms of climate. We want to combat climate change all around the world. So the embassy has decided to plant these trees really to try to offset our carbon footprint in the Philippines.
So ngayong araw na to, nagmamark tayo ng ceremonial tree planting. Kasama natin ang Royal Norwegian Embassy at ang ASEAN Centre for Biodiversity at of course ang local government ng Quezon City. No? Mahalaga talaga sa atin ang nakakahanap tayo ng mga grupo at mga kasamahan na tutulong at susuporta sa atin dito sa ating advocacy sa pagpoprotekta sa Lamesa watershed. We're very, very grateful that we find partners like them who really want to do concrete actions, yung konkretong mga gawain para sa kalikasan.
On behalf of our Mayor, Mayor Joy Belmonte, kami po ay nagagalak na may mga gantong activities para po matugunan ang ating pangangailangan sa pagprotekta ng kalikasan. So sa Quezon City po, napakahalaga ng aming role bilang green lung of the metropolis dahil ito na lang po ang natitirang watershed na po pwede pong ipagmalaki at po pwede pong magbigay ng proteksyon sa ating mga kabataan.
Yung puno have already been known to sequester carbon. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung mga emissions natin, yung mga lumalabas sa mga sasakyan, sa mga factory, ganyan, sa greenhouse gases na nai-emit ng mga tao, pag mas maraming puno, mas madaling makuha o makapture ng isang gubat. So, aside from carbon sequestration, nakakatulong din ang puno para hindi magbaha.
For the ASEAN Centre for Biodiversity, this is certainly a lifestyle worth living.
So inaanyayahan namin lahat, ang mga kababayan natin and everyone who cares about the planet and who cares about themselves to plant trees. We invite them also here to Lamesa watershed to be able to see what has been done here to restore the forest. So magtanim tayo ng puno at yung tamang puno. You make sure that you also know what type of tree should you plant. We should be able to appreciate the species that grow in our local area.